Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine standing in a forest, soft light through the trees, a cool breeze against your skin, birdsong in the distance. No notifications, no traffic, no pressure. Just space. Why does this feel so healing? It's not just fresh air, it's not just exercise. Your brain and body are wired for this. And when you walk in nature, something ancient switches back on. Modern life exhausts your attention. Screens, noise, decisions, constant stimulation. Your brain never really rests. But nature is different. Psychologists call it soft fascination. When you watch leaves move, clouds drift, water flow, your mind is gently engaged, but not strained. And that allows your thinking brain to recover. Even 20 minutes in a forest can improve focus and creativity. Nature doesn't demand your attention. It restores it. Look closely at a fern, or tree branches, or a winding river. You'll notice repeating patterns. These are called fractals. Nature is full of them. Your brain evolved surrounded by these shapes. They're complex, but predictable. Research shows they reduce stress. They feel familiar, safe,